Hi friends, this is Akshata here with yet another Christmas delight. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Ferrero Rocher chocolates at home with very few ingredients. Now here I have these wafer shells which are easily available in the market. I will leave a link below as to where you can buy them. Then you require some hazelnuts and some Nutella. Later on, we also will be melting some dark chocolate compound and a few cashew nuts cut finely. That's all you require for this amazing chocolate. Now the first step is we are going to fill these shells with Nutella. Then put one of these hazelnuts in between them and seal them and then refrigerate them. The first step is we're going to fill up this Nutella. Don't fill it up to the brim, just 3/4 of it. And then you can take any flat knife or spoon and just flatten it out and keep these aside. So I'll fill up all of this and then we'll get back to the rest. Now once we have filled up these wafers, all we have to do is take a hazelnut, place it in the center, take another ball which is filled with Nutella and just seal up these balls. And then we have to refrigerate this for half an hour and then continue with the process of making these chocolates. So I'll show you some more. Just take half of the shell with the Nutella in it, put in your hazelnut, take another shell, fill it up like this, close it up like this, make it into a ball and keep it aside. And here friends, on a double boiler, I have some dark compound chocolate melting, and I also have taken half a cup of chopped cashew nuts. So now we're going to melt this chocolate on this double boiler. Here our chocolate has melted. Now we're going to add these cashew nuts chopped finely and give that a good mix. Now here I have taken a plate and I've cut out some butter paper or parchment paper, applied some butter and stuck it to the plate. Now after half an hour, these are all ready. So now all we have to do is dip these into this chocolate and then put it on the butter paper and again refrigerate it for about an hour or so. So very gently just take one of these and then using 2 spoons just coat it nicely with this chocolate and shake off the excess chocolate, and then we're just going to place it on this butter paper and then we're going to refrigerate it. So just nicely coat it with the chocolate and the nuts. Put a lot of the cashew nuts because the nuts have to be seen, and then just gently place it on the butter paper. So in this way I'll complete this and we'll get back to the friends video. I have coated them all with the chocolate and cashew nut mix, and now we're going to refrigerate this for at least 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. And here friends, our chocolates are all ready after sitting in the refrigerator for 1.5 hours. Here I have these pretty mini cupcake holders. So all we're going to do is just put these chocolates in this, so that gives a nice festive look. So we'll just take one of these and just put these chocolates in these. And here friends are our lovely chocolates all ready. So this is something your guests and family and friends are really going to enjoy. A melt in the mouth Ferrero Rocher chocolates. So I hope you make this lovely Christmas sweet and serve it to your family and friends. If you like this recipe, please give this recipe a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. Until another video, this is Akshata saying bye. Take care.